Hi Nas Moms! In this video, we're going to feature the Econuvo 211 and 212. The Econuvo is the sister brand of our beloved Ecomom. The Econuvo 211 features an 8-liter capacity, so it's very ideal for traveling so that you can sterilize your baby bottles, pump parts, baby's toys, baby's feeding essentials, and your personal items. The 211 also has the same functions as Ecomom. So you just press the power button. The auto function runs through sterilization, drying, and storage. If you want to do a separate cycle for drying, you just have to press it again to make a longer cycle. It's the same as the Sterilize and storage. The 211 is equipped with a Hepa filter that needs replacing every 6 months. It also has the anion, same as the Ecomom, and the protection and safety feature that when you open it, it will automatically shut off. When you open the Econuvo 211, you will see that the surface is unique to this model, and it is designed to make sure that the UV light is refracted in all parts of your items. It also has a large capacity that can hold up to 6 to 8 bottles. Moving on to the Econuvo 212, this one has a front opening, and it makes sure that all parts of your items are sterilized because it has the patented 360-degree rotating UV light. It also comes with 2 adjustable trays. Operating the 212, you just press this circle and a touchscreen will appear. Then you can choose your function. It also has the auto, sterilize, and drying. And what's good with this one is the timer is fully customizable. Aside from that, it also makes yogurt, and it also does dehydrating of your fruits and vegetables. The Econuvo 212 also has a Hepa filter that doesn't need replacements. The LED can also be changed as needed. It has a big 17.5-liter capacity and very minimal power consumption. You can find this at thenesaph.com. Thank you for watching!